I went to art college. I was in art college for 2 years, I guess. And then I met him, I was introduced to a gentleman who took me on as an apprentice Signwriter. I was with him for 7 years. My grandfather was a monumental mason, stone carver, you know. And I guess it comes from there. That, I think, is, you can imagine chipping away at a block of stone all day. It teaches you patience. And I think patience is a big part of this job, really. When you start out, you're doing all sorts of things. Back in those days, it was all shop fronts and vans and lorries. Whatever was moved had to be lettered, and we did it, you know. But when you get into boats, I've been into boats about 30, 35 years now. And I've done nothing else now for that time. And I just thoroughly enjoy it. I love the traditions of it. The canals have been going for 200 years, you know, and the way boats are painted and it's all from years ago, really. But we try to keep to the tradition of the waterways, you know. There's such a variety of work. You could never get bored with it. Well, I never could anyway. Variety is the spice of life, they say. So, yeah. So that's about 60 years in the trade, would you believe? Seems a long time, but I just love it. I work 7 days a week, and it's not a chore. I believe that every day you get up and you make the most of that day. Don't waste a minute. I will do this job till the day I die. There's no, God willing. I'd love to die with a paintbrush in my hand, literally, you know. You go through life, you've got to earn a living, you've got to earn a crust of bread one way or another. And isn't it wonderful that you can do something that you enjoy doing every day? What else can you ask? It's what life's all about.